Jimco's technologies will neutralize viruses and bacteria by recreating rays from the sun. These rays will temporarily change oxygen, O2, into ozone, O3. Ozone is highly reactive and can easily disrupt the core of a virus, which makes it impossible for the virus to survive. After the ozone reacts with the virus, it will turn back into oxygen. This process takes place in nature, but does not exist indoors. Through our environmentally friendly technology, we can purify the air you breathe and disinfect the surfaces you touch. Jimco offers a variety of solutions to significantly reduce the virus. In this video, we will introduce the following 4 different products: MAC 500S, Virus and Bacteria Control, FLOD Mini Mark II, and OZ2000. Jimco's applications can be used in offices, cruise liners, restaurants, hospitals, dentists, schools, supermarkets, factories, and hotels. MAC 500S produces the same level of ozone as you have outside in nature on a sunny day and is therefore safe to use while people are in the room. This low level will significantly reduce airborne viruses and bacteria 24/7, not only when the air passes through the machine, but everywhere the low level of ozone reaches. To keep a swimming pool clean, you must add chlorine, because the water cleaning system alone will not keep the water clean. To keep room air clean, the MAC 500S not only passes air through the purifying machine, but also adds low-level ozone for maximum effectiveness. It significantly improves your indoor environment and can reduce airborne viruses up to 99.9%. The Jimco Virus and Bacteria Control System is placed in the ventilation system. As viruses and bacteria travel through the ventilation system, they can easily be circulated from one room to another. The powerful UVC light destroys viruses and bacteria and works like a very severe sunburn. By destroying microorganisms in the ventilation system, you will ensure that recirculated air is being disinfected before it re-enters the spaces of a building. This will significantly improve indoor air quality. Jimco's FLOD Mini Mark II for surface disinfection uses the already available oxygen in the room and reaches all surfaces in contact with the air. The FLOD Mini Mark II has a touchscreen and a USB port, so it's possible for you to provide documented disinfection results with a patented data log system, a result of more than 99.99% disinfection. After a full surface disinfection of your rooms, even places that are difficult to reach, including door handles, keyboards, chairs, tables, and even the pen at your desk, you will have a clean start. The OZ2000 can be used to effectively sanitize smaller rooms without the use of chemicals. The OZ2000 is ideal for apartments, cars, trucks, restaurants, and toilets. The ozone will contact surfaces that are difficult to reach and will reduce the virus more than 99% depending on treatment time. Jimco. Always stay safe.